everyone. Mark with RamRoamMods.com, coming back at you once again with a cheap, easy mod. So what I did today, just a few minutes ago, I installed a screen protector on the Uconnect or radio slash navigation system, whatever you want to call it. But I put this on it right here. This is a LFOTPP car navigation screen protector, which is tempered glass. Supposed to be fingerprint resistant and scratch resistant. So I got this on Amazon for just under $12. As always, I will put the info down in the comments. But it was simple to install. Get the tempered glass in the kit, obviously. You also get a couple of alcohol wipe pads, so I wiped it down real well before I stuck it. And they also give you a couple dust removal stickers, which, as you see, I got a lot of dust. I got a German Shepherd, and there's some German Shepherd hairs right there. But didn't need to use that either. I just wiped it down real good with alcohol. It stuck to it really well. They also give you a suction cup right here, which you get the corner of it, peel the the backing off of the tempered glass, and you just stick it right on here, and it just sucks right to the screen. It was pretty cool. It doesn't look like I've got any bubbles. I have maybe just a little one down here in the bottom corner, but I think it'll come out after it heats up. And I'll work on it a little bit more too. But it stuck real good. Like I said, wasn't expensive or anything. But if your wives are in the car or something, they have nails and could scratch up your deal, your screen here. So I went with one. Don't forget to like my channel. Always subscribe. I'm always trying to do new videos every week on the Rebel. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.